Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. We are doing an unboxing today, but before we get into what's in the box, let me give you a little backstory of what's in the box, okay? And what's in the box is a Cricut machine. For those who don't know what a Cricut machine is, it is a DIY crafting machine. You can make tons of things, okay? So I just got it. And before I ordered my own, my friend had let me use hers because she had brought one and she was like, girl, it's just over here sitting in the corner. I ain't been using it. I literally opened the box, looked at it, and haven't even tried to figure out how it works. So come over here, learn it. Then she was like, oh, take it home. You can use it, figure it out. And then, you know, when I'm ready to learn it, you can teach me type thing. So that's what I did. I had brought it home. I started learning little things. I'm still in beginner stage of the Cricut machine. Little simple things I can do, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I brought it home, but it was literally right before the Rona started shutting everything down, and I wasn't able to really play with it like I wanted to play with it, like create things like I wanted to create things, like mostly t-shirts and things, like merch, because I always wanted to get into merch, but I never, you know, just went forth with it. Not saying that I wasn't, I just didn't do it yet. But anyway, so I brought it home and I created me a couple of little things with it or whatever. But like I said, it was right before the COVID started shutting everything down, and I wasn't able to get everything I needed. Like I'm just getting into it. So I didn't have like stuff at home just stocked up, like t-shirts and vinyl and all that kind of stuff. So I really didn't have anything that I can really, you know, really dig into it with. So recently, you know, she needed it back because she is a crafter. She's like, yo, I need the machine back, V, because, you know, I got some orders that need some personalized stuff on it. And the only way I could think to do it is the Cricut. So I was like, okay. I couldn't be mad because it wasn't mine, it was hers in the first place. I was like, God dang it, everything's starting to open up. I was just like about to go stock up on some t-shirts, get some vinyl. I'm like, yeah, it's about to get real now. You know what I'm saying? But she was like, yo, sis, I'm sorry. I'm gonna come pick that up, box it up, I'm on the way. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, dang. So I decided to go ahead and order my own Cricut machine because, you know, you can't get too comfortable with using somebody else's stuff anyway. You have to, if you want to do that, invest in it and do it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. If I want to do something, I'm going to invest in it. Like I wanted to do YouTube, I invested in the camera, I invested in the ring light, I invested in, you know, some kind of little backdrops. I invest in things I feel like, oh yeah, I can do that. Once I put my mind to something, I'm like, yeah, I want to do that. Oh, I start looking up what I need, okay? But like I said, I've always wanted to do merch and things like that. And once I've seen everything that this machine can do, I'm like, this is what I need. And my sister got one and she be over there with the craft. You know what I'm saying? I joined so many Facebook groups and I be looking at TikToks on, you know, stuff that they make with the Cricut. I watch YouTube videos. I'm like, oh, I gotta get a piece of this action. So I ordered myself one, okay? I did not get the color I wanted to get because nobody had them. Like they only had the white colors, and I'm like, what? Like this is a beautiful color, which is the peacock one. If I can find a picture of it, I will insert it. But it was a beautiful color. I'm like, oh, I gotta have that. But nobody had that one in stock. And then I ended up finding a bundle deal on the Cricut. So I was like, if I don't get this deal, I must be smoking crystal meth, okay? So I just got my debit card out and I ordered it with my eyes closed, okay? Because I was like, oh my God, I really don't want to spend this money. But like I said, you have to invest in yourself. And I'm like, oh, and I really don't want this color either. But I'm like, they probably are not gonna have that color anywhere, and especially in this bundle deal. So I had to jump on it. So with that being said, let me show y'all what came with my Cricut machine. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so this is the Cricut machine, and like I said, it came with a bundle deal, so it came with 2 packages. Like I said before, the Cricut is a crafting machine. You can make t-shirts, hats, labels, cups. Like, it's no limit to what you can do with this thing. I mean, I guess it is a limit, but I'm gonna just say it's no limit. But anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's get into what color I got and let's open up this stuff, okay? I'm so excited about this. I still need to get me a press machine because right now I'm just doing it like when I make something for a t-shirt or whatever, I'm just ironing it on. But y'all know I'll watch some videos on press machines and things, and my sister has one, and it just looks way more classy when you have a press machine. All right, so that's my next thing I'm gonna order when I get the cash. Okay, I'm gonna order me a press machine so I can really be into business. Y'all, the groups that I joined on Facebook and stuff, and the pages I follow on TikTok, I'm like, wow, you made that with the machine? Man, it's good stuff. So I'm actually excited to sit down and actually just be learning and trying new things because it's awesome, all right? Ooh, come on through, baby boo. All right, I'm gonna lay it down like this and booyah. No longer need that. Oh my goodness, it landed right on my chair. Now that's tight, look at this. Ah! That's funny. Anyway, back to what we was doing. So the color I got was, oh, I think y'all too high. Let me move y'all down a little bit. So the color I got was the Peach Kiss one. You know, I settled for this color because I had to get that bundle deal. I had to. I really wanted the peacock one like I told y'all before, but I mean, at least it's not a super ugly color, you know? I can deal with a peach kiss, whatever. All right, so what comes in the box is a grip mat. I think this is a light one. It comes with the grip mat. I hope y'all can see this doggone. This is what you put your vinyl and things on to put it into the machine. And a let's get started packet telling you how to use it and what to do with that. And of course, this bad baby itself, all right? The Cricut machine. Hold on, because if I drop it, I'm gonna be mad. Jesus, come off of here. It also comes with an adapter so you can plug it into your computer and into the wall for power, you know? And also a pen, because you can do like drawing crafts as well. Pick a font, it'll draw it out. Cute. Like birthday cards and things like that. Wow, okay? So it comes with a pen. And that's all that it comes with in the box. Let's show y'all this machine, okay? I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Oh, I am a sucker for like a coral color. I love coral and yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. Then next comes coral. This is pretty close to a coral, so I'm not super mad about the color. But that peacock one was everything, all right? Woo! Unwrap that baby. Come off, plastic. Y'all see this? It's so cute, right? So super cute. With this little sticker. I'm not super sad with the color. It didn't look this like bright on the internet, but in person it looks lit. I'm not super sad. So this is how you open it. Oh. Yes, okay, so that's the machine itself. Let me bring it close to y'all. I will bring y'all to it, but I'll just bring it to y'all. Okay, the ring light might not be giving y'all the real true color of it, but it's a nice peach corally look. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, so that's what's in that box. This is some vinyl and stuff I had already bought when I was using my frame machine. So I still got a little vinyl left. I was trying to print something out right before she came to pick it up, but I needed a longer board. The board I have, well, the board that comes with the machine is the same one she had, and it wasn't long enough. But look what I got, my own. I did order some longer boards off of Amazon as well, so I'm waiting for that to come. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. Man, this deal was good. I was like, man, if I skip out on that, I don't deserve a Cricut machine. All right, and I deserve it. All right, so this is what it came with. This is what was included in my bundle deal. They have different kind of bundle deals, guys. So you just gotta find one that's good for you. Find a good one. Okay. So with this bundle deal, I got the machine, and also I got my, what is this? My basic tool set, which comes with a spatula, some tweezers, the weeding tool, the scraper, some scissors, and I guess that's just an extra handle. So it comes with this, y'all. Because if you only get the machine by itself, it don't even come with that, and I feel like that's crazy. That's something you need for the machine, but it doesn't come with it, so you have to get it with a bundle deal. It also came with 4 rolls of vinyl, which is red. Express iron-on, premium vinyl. I think it may come with a couple of different colors in each one. So in this one, which is everyday iron-on, I see red, black, and white. Also express iron-on, red, black, and white. What's this? A roll of transfer tape. And this is premium removable vinyl. So you come with 4 vinyls. Also came with this little cutter machine for cutting your vinyl, you know. My friend actually had this with her machine, and it didn't cut well. It was very flimsy like, but I'll give it another try. Okay, and I don't know what's in here, but let's find out. It says, caution, do not bend or fold. Okay. What's in here? I don't remember what else it came with. Come on, buddy. Okay, so what is this? Bro! I didn't even need to order those freaking boards. I literally ordered these boards off of freaking Amazon. I don't remember it saying it came with this. I'm gonna return them. Shoot. And it came with 3. That's exactly what I got. I got a freaking, did I order it? Yes. I got a freaking 3-pack. Oh wait. No, yeah. I got a freaking 3-pack of these off of Amazon. I didn't see that it came with these. Wow. That's crazy. This is why I couldn't print out what I needed to print out before she came to get her machine, because I needed something longer. This is, get off. This is the board I was using when I was trying to print out my other stuff. And this is the board I needed because it wasn't long enough. You see? Look at that. The diff. All right. Wow. I don't remember it saying it came with these. So that's all that came in the boxes. That is all everything came with, okay? So I'm super excited about this. I can't wait to start crafting and making lit stuff, lit merch, and all kinds of stuff, y'all. The stuff that I've seen you can make with this, I am going to try it all, okay? So I'm gonna, when I do my first project on here, of course, I'm gonna record it and show y'all what it's to, you know what I mean? But that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have Cricut and you are advanced, please give me some tips. Help me out. I want to create lit stuff. Help me out, all right? Leave me some tips. Tell me what's your favorite kind of DIY to do with your Cricut machine. What color do you have? Tell me what color you have if you have a Cricut. If you have the peacock one, I am not your friend, okay? I'm not your friend. I'm not sad about this color no more now that I see it, but the peacock one was so beautiful, all right? But yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. My whole head been cut off this whole video. But give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below, share the video. Like I said, if you have any tips that you would like to give for beginners on the Cricut machine, hey, I'm here, I got eyes, I read the comments, so let me know something. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already. If you're not, I'm just like, why are you not subscribed? All right, I'm almost at 600 subscribers. It's been a long journey, but we're moving on up to the east side. All right, so hit that subscribe button and help me get to 600 on the road to at least 1K. I'm trying to hit 1K, y'all, by the end of 2020, period. That's my goal. By the end of this year, I will be at 1K, period. All right, so help me out, be my friend, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell if you want to see more of me. And if you don't see nothing, but you know, I fucking appreciate it. Hey, all right? But until next time, thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.